Here's how to unblock someone on Roblox. This works both on your computers and your mobile devices because the settings are similar. So open Roblox and log into your account. Then look for the three-dot menu icon, or if you're using computer, it's on the left-hand side of the screen. Tap on the gear icon and then tap on Settings. In the settings, find Privacy and Content Restrictions, that is between Security and Notifications. Click on it and scroll down to the Blocked Users tab, that is between Ads, Preferences, and Account Deactivation and Deletion. You'll see a list of everyone you have blocked. Find the person that you want to unblock, and next to their name, click on the Unblock button. If Roblox asks you to confirm, you need to confirm your decision, and that's it. The person is now unblocked. They can now send you a friend request, and you can see their messages and interact with them depending on your privacy settings. Unblocking someone does not automatically make them your friend. You'll still need to send or accept a friend request. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.